This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Oh, if you don't have awesome stuff like I do, you need to go back and do the other parts of this lesson. Free play. Yeah. Virtual pet is virtually awesome. What more can you do? Change the background color. Change the background to a color or image. Ooh, where's that? Oh, set background. Ooh, to city. Now keep in mind, it's not going to run way out here, right? If I want this to run, I need to attach it to something. Now, well, ooh. Oh, is there a, I think there's none now. Let's do sci-fi. That does not look inviting. Farm. It's a cow. That's perfect. All right. Print more. Try printing yum, energy increased when your pet eats food. Ooh, okay. So when we eat the radish, my cow loves radishes because he's weird. So we need to print. If I go to world though, print energy. Can I? Oh, that's a variable. Oh, look. Quotes. So maybe this will let me write something. So, yum. So when the cow touches the radish, I jump, the radish goes to a new location, my points are changed by 1, and it should print this. Yuck, energy reset. That makes sense. Okay, so now... Cool. Add another sprite that interacts with your pet in a different way. Wait, let's see if this works though. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Cool. Another sprite that interacts with our pet. Well, I already have the cat, so let's put the cat. Random location. And then... when cat is clicked. I guess that, no, yeah, when cat is clicked. When the cat is clicked, how is it going to interact with cow? Cows change in colors to green. Let's test that. Awesome. Okay. And then add another variable that can affect your pet world. What might it do? Age, happiness? So let's set the new variable. To 1. And then variable. Change. When I click on the cat, I'm going to change age by 2. And then when the energy is reset, it's going to be reset. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah. It's going to be reset not to 5, but to, oh, here. Whatcha? To 5 plus whatever my age is. So clicking on the cat can make me go real fast. So now even if I get hit, I can speed all over the place because I clicked on the cat a bunch. Awesome. That's super cool. This is fun. I hope your game's really awesome as well. Let's keep going.